In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor link in Elementor. Anchor links let visitors jump directly to a specific part of your page with a single click. They're perfect for long pages, one-page sites, or quick back-to-top style navigation. I'll walk you through the exact setup and share a few simple tips so it works smoothly the first time. Start by opening your page in the Elementor editor. Make sure you're on the page that contains the section you want people to land on. With the editor open, look to the left panel and search for the Menu Anchor widget. Drag that widget into the section you want to scroll to. Place it right at the point where you want the page to stop when someone clicks the link, usually the top of a section or just above a heading. Don't worry, the menu anchor is invisible on the live page, so it won't affect your design or layout. But its position determines exactly where the scroll ends. With the menu anchor selected, go to the Advanced tab and find the CSS ID field. Enter a simple, unique ID here without using the hash symbol. For example, type features, pricing section, or contact us. Avoid spaces and special characters, keep it short, and make sure you don't reuse the same ID elsewhere on the page. Consistency matters, so note the exact spelling, including any hyphens. Next, link to that anchor from your button, text, or image. Select the element you want people to click, find its link field, and type the hash symbol followed by the exact ID you set earlier. For example, if your ID is pricing section, the link should be #pricing section. The hash tells the browser to look for an element with that ID on the same page. Double-check for typos and matching case so the jump works reliably. When you preview the page and click the linked element, the view should scroll directly to your anchor's position. If you're using a sticky header that covers the top of sections, consider placing the menu anchor slightly below the very top of the section to keep your heading visible after the scroll. Also, keep anchor IDs descriptive so they're easy to manage as your page grows. That's it. By placing a menu anchor, assigning a clean CSS ID without the hash, and linking to it with a hash from any clickable element, you've created a smooth, professional anchor link in Elementor.